Everyone wants a big transformation. But the truth? The people who actually win don't chase massive change. They chase tiny wins. Just 1% better every single day. That's the 1% rule, and it will make you unstoppable. We're obsessed with big goals. Lose 10 kilos, earn a lakh a month, wake up at 5 a.m. every day. But why do most people quit? Because they try to change everything at once and burn out by day 3. Here's the secret no one tells you. You don't need massive motivation. You need momentum. And momentum is built 1% at a time. It's the exact system James Clear wrote about in Atomic Habits. He called it the 1% rule, tiny changes that compound into massive results. Imagine this. You improve by just 1% every day. That's it. One better choice, one small action. After 1 year, you're not just 365% better, you're 37 times better. That's compound growth, and that's where real transformation lives. Your 1% could be one more push-up, one extra page read, one moment of silence before reacting, one less minute on your phone, one kind word instead of anger. Small doesn't mean weak. Small means sustainable. And when it's consistent, it becomes unbeatable. 1% better every day will change your body, your habits, your mindset, your entire life. Starting today, forget perfect, forget massive. Just ask yourself, what's my 1% today? Maybe it's drinking water before coffee, walking 5 minutes after lunch, writing for 10 minutes before bed. Whatever it is, make it small. Make it so easy, you can't fail. Then repeat, day after day. This is how confidence builds. This is how habits stick. This is how you become the person you've always wanted to be. Your future isn't built in one leap. It's built in tiny steps, repeated daily. That's the 1% rule. And once you start, you'll never stop. Drop a 1% better in the comments if you're starting today. Let's grow together. And if this helped you, share it with someone who needs a gentle push. Because the smallest step forward is still a step toward power.